Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel Science Vision with Bhandekar sir. Dear student, today we study that is sign convention for lenses, for very spherical lenses. Look here, before this video lecture, I am completing a topic of image formation by convex lens and image formation by concave lens. Today we study the sign convention for lenses. You know what is the aim to study the sign convention for lenses? Because for solving the numericals, we can take a object distance always negative. Why we take a object distance negative? Just which image distance is positive. Then height of object, why height of object is taken as positive? Which height of image is taken as negative? Which distances are positive, which distances are negative? Means in this way, for learning a such type of topic, it is necessary to understand that is sign convention for lenses. Means in this way, to understand the topic of sign convention for lenses, it is necessary to draw the diagram for sign convention. Dear student, look here. That is a convex lens. Convex lens. Here optical center O, then you know that is a principal axis. Here F2, then 2F2, here F1 and 2F1. Dear student, according to sign convention for lens, this optical center of the lens is taken as origin and that principal axis is taken as x axis. Principal axis is taken as x axis there. Look, that is, we can measure all the distances on principal axis from the optical center O to right side of the O and to left side of the O. We can measure the distance on principal axis to right side of the optical center and to the left side of the optical center. Dear student, distance to right side of optical center, that is positive distance. Distance to right side, look towards the arrow here. Distance to right side of the optical center on the principal axis, all the distances are positive. Distance to left side of the principal axis, left side of the optical center, in this way, left side of the optical center, that is a negative distance. That is negative distance. Means to right side distance is positive, to right side we take a distance is negative. Hence, you know, dear student, that object is always placed to the left side of the lens, left side of the optical center. Hence, we take object distance is always negative. Dear student, in numerical or any example, you are not given such type of negative object distance or positive image distance. We can take on and just we can understand that is कि just here object distance is always negative because object placed to left side of the lens. Then you know height above the principal axis, here height of object, that height upward height is positive height. Upward height is positive height. Means height above the principal axis, look towards the arrow. That height above the principal axis, it is positive height. Then height downward below the principal axis, look towards the arrow. That height or downward height is negative height. Height downward is negative. Dear student, focal length of convex lens. You know, focal length of focus of convex lens is to the right side of the lens. F2 is the focus, and here in this way we can denote the focal length by small f and it is negative. Means focal length of convex lens is negative because focus of convex lens is to the right side of the lens. Hence, you mean focal length of convex lens is positive. Focal length of convex lens is positive. Focal length of convex lens is positive and focal length of concave lens is negative. Because f1 is the focus of concave lens, hence focal length of concave lens is negative. f2 is the focus of convex lens, hence focal length of convex lens is positive. To the focal length of convex lens is to the right side of the lens and focal length of concave lens is to the left side of the lens. Means in this way, that is the sign convention for lenses. How we write the notes of sign convention? Because dear student, there is one question, explain the sign convention for lenses. It is necessary to write the notes of that sign convention and draw the diagram, then you get a full credit of that question. How we describe the sign convention? Dear student, first point, according to sign convention for lens, optical center O is taken as origin and principal axis is x axis. Optical center O is taken as origin and principal axis is x axis. All the distances on principal axis measured from O. All distances on principal axis measure from optical center O. All the distances on principal axis they get measured from optical center O to the right side and to the left side of the O. Distance to right side is positive. Distance to right side of O is positive and distance to left side of O is negative. Distance to right side of the optical center is positive. Distance to left side of the optical center is negative. Height upward above the principal axis is positive. Height downward below the principal axis is negative. Means dear student, height of object is always positive. That height of real and inverted image is negative. Height of virtual and erect image is positive. If that image is erect, then positive height. Then image is downward or just that is below the principal axis, inverted image, that is a negative height. Means height upward is positive and height downward is negative. Height upward is positive. Dear student, height of object is always positive and height downward is negative. Then focal length of convex lens is positive and focal length of concave lens is negative. Because dear student, that f2 is the focus of convex lens, it is to the right side in second sphere, and focus of concave lens is f1 to the left side. And you know what is focal length? Distance between focus and pole is called a focal length. Means in this way, that is focal length of convex lens is positive and focal length of concave lens, focal length of concave lens is negative. Focal length of convex lens is positive and focal length of concave lens is negative. Means in this way, dear student, that is the topic of sign convention for lenses. Please, we can draw the diagram in your question, or when you can write the answer of question in your answer paper, and if that question is explain the sign convention for lens, then the diagram is necessary. You can draw the diagram, this diagram, and then write a such type of notes. Dear student, in my next video lecture, we can study the lens formula and magnification, also power of lenses. Hence, please watch my another videos also and previous videos also to learn a more topic of the science of physics, chemistry and biology of that CBSE 10th class. And hence, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Science Vision with Bhandekar sir, for watching my all videos. And thanks.